with ROE Dental Lab, and today I want to talk with you about some fully digital denture workflows when it comes to utilizing your iOS in your office. I know in the past we've talked about a couple different things when it comes to dentures like bite blocks, the new ROE Fit Tray, as well as reference dentures, but today I want to talk about records that can be digital for you to capture in your office and us to get here digitally at the lab, meaning nothing is going in the mail. The first scenario I want to talk about is reference dentures. So for anyone that is familiar with this process or duplicate dentures, patients presenting with an old denture they know and love, maybe the fit's a little bit loose, but they love the way the bite feels and the wear and tear on the teeth, so we're looking to replicate that. You're going to go ahead and take a wash impression inside that denture, 360 the denture all the way around with your iOS in office. It's always helpful to include an opposing and a bite if we're looking to change anything with the wear and tear on the teeth, and then we will send you a final printed denture. So that's one way. Let's talk about if the patient is presenting with a edentulous arch and we're starting from scratch. In this scenario, it'd be great to use the ROE Fit Tray. Now we have a great step-by-step video that if you haven't checked that out yet, it's going to be linked down below on exactly how to capture records for this, but I'll walk you through a little tidbit here. So patient presents edentulous, we're looking to start a new denture from scratch, and we have our ROE Fit Trays on hand. We're going to go ahead and pick out the appropriate size from our stock of ROE Fit Trays we pre-ordered. We're then going to heat up the water bath and adjust the tray as needed, and once we have it to the perfect size, we can then do our border molding, our wash impression inside, occlusal adjustments, and mark the midline. Once that is all said and done, it's now time to pick up your iOS and start scanning. So just like the reference denture, we are going to 360 the ROE Fit Tray. Then we're going to capture an opposing as well as a bite and send that into ROE along with any photographs that you can take of the patient with the ROE Fit Tray in marked up. So again, if you want to go digital and you don't want to send anything in the mail for your denture cases, you can do a reference denture case where you 360 scan, or you can do a ROE Fit Tray case where you capture the analog records and 360 it. Again, always capturing an opposing and bite and sending any photos in to help our team at the lab. If you have any questions, please call into our technicians. We would love to walk you through the process. And as I mentioned earlier, we are going to link that video below with the step-by-step process on how to utilize the ROE Fit Tray and capture records. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we look forward to helping you make your removable workflow fully digital.